Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explore Poppies Lane 2, the Heart Gang in Kuta. Usually this area is very busy and lots of people. So if you want to know how look like the condition at the moment right there, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay, today I will explore Poppies Lane 2. It's one gang in the heart of Kuta. Usually in this area, a lot of tourists from Australia stay here because in this area is very famous for Australia. So today I just want to show you how look like the condition exactly right there in June 2021. Okay, you can see to the right side, the shop all closed. That is so sad. At the left side, there is big shopping mall we call Beach Walk that's connecting to the Poppies Lane 2. You see in the right side, some people there. I don't know what they're doing actually. Oh, there's some shops still open there. It's good. But yeah, it's gonna say like 90% the shop is closed, I think. And also you can see from the sidewalk, there's no people there. Just very quiet. And now I make video in 5 minutes without skip because I just want to show you the real condition in Poppies Lane 2. The condition like this is already more than 1 year. There's no people, isn't it? No activity, it's very quiet. This right side is we call Bali Van Java Hotel. They close. Oh, there is a cafe open. And some people there. I'm very happy to see that. You see this restaurant? We call Korean restaurant. In this restaurant, long time ago, I have a USDA burger. I have burger, it's very big. My customer from America buy for me. Was very nice. Look at that, the shop. Ah, so sad. There's no people there. And the shop closed. Okay guys, so this is the condition at the moment in Poppies Lane 2. Thank you for watching my video. And please, if you don't mind, subscribe, like and hit the bell. Because I have more information about Bali. Thank you for watching my video. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.